Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a lovely bracelet today with these aquamarine nuggets. A few weeks ago I did a video showing you how to make a set of earrings, these aquamarine nuggets. So this bracelet will look lovely with them if you want to give it a go. So I'm going to need a little clasp, a little fastener, and a couple of jump rings, and we're going to be working with this wire, which is 0.8 millimeters, which is a 20 gauge wire, and I've got quite a big roll of this, so I'm going to be working with it while it's on the roll, and then we'll cut it later. I'm going to be making it about 6.5 inches, and that will allow me to put on a fastener as well. So I'm going to just slip these on. Just randomly put some nuggets on. Absolutely beautiful colour, these. Oops, I'm struggling. Just have to soften the wire a little bit. No, that one's not going on. Leave that. I'm struggling with these a little bit. There we go. Try this one. Yep. It'd make a lovely Christmas present, this, as Christmas is coming up. It'll make a nice little gift. So I'm just putting them on like so. I'll just give that a quick measure, see where we're up to. Oops. Yep, I think that one, and maybe this one. And give it another measure now. And roughly, it's just a little bit over, but that's about where we want to be with it. I'm just going to move them back out of the way, and I'm going to get my round nose pliers, and I'm just going to make a little loop here at the bottom. Wrap that wire around, and just going to get rid of that nasty little piece there, and just give that a little bit of a tweak. Make sure there's no bits that can scratch us and ruin our clothes. Still a little bit there. Right, so we can just move these down slightly. And just give us a little bit of room with them. So I'm just gonna come back in now with the pliers, with the round nose pliers, and where this bit is here, I'm just gonna take some more wire off my reel. So I've got plenty to work with. And I'm just gonna wrap it round again and wrap it round, bring that over, and we're just going to make another loop, and then we're going to take our wire and just let it fold around the beads. And you can slip it through the wire there and just hold it in place and just let it naturally lie on the beads. Just take some more wire off, and there we go. Just holding it in place and letting it just go naturally around. This wire is quite soft, and you usually find that the more you work with it, the softer it does become, and it makes it easier. A lot of people like to just rub their hands through the wire as well before they start working with it, just to warm it up and make it easier to work with. But this is working quite well actually. And around that one, as you can see, it's nothing fancy. We're just learning a bit how to use a bit of wire, and you might want to do it like this, or you might find your own way of doing it. There it goes around this last one now. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to wrap this wire around there. Now you could leave it at that, cut it off, just nip it up so you've got no loose pieces, or you could go back again and put another little wrap round. And go like that. Now I've got a bit of a kink here now, so I see how when you work with the wire you can bring that back out. and it might not be anything too fancy, but I think it makes quite a nice bracelet. And then we're going to chop our wire off like that. So there's your bracelet, and what we need to do is just hold that and try and bring that round, so you're wrapping it around that loop like that, and then that's not too good. It's a bit better. Then we'll cut that little bit off. And just tuck that away, so there's no sharp edges. Just make these loops good again, because they do get squashed about, and then you can just bend it round. And then you get your little jump rings, just open them up and pop one on there, and pop your little fastener bit on there. Oops. And then just close it back. Well, that's not closed up very well. No, I'm going to get another jump ring. I've made a mess of that one. And I can open it up. So just open up your jump ring, pop on that, and pop on your part of your fastener, and then close it. And then the same here on this side. So we're gonna open the fastener, open the jump ring, pop it onto the fastener, and then close it back up. And there you've got your little bracelet. Now you could, if you want to, you could put a little extender chain on here, or also put a little could put like a little love art or something dangling from this jump ring as well, just to give it a bit more interest. But I quite like that, it's very rustic. So there's your bracelet to go with the earrings that I've shown you in the previous video, and I hope you like that, and I hope you're going to give it a go. So thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.